Yes, start.
Sir, last leg was
No issue, you can start.
yes. So, sir, our group name is
Sir, she got disconnected.
Everybody is there, but don't worry. I am able to see all the four.
She's saying that she got disconnected.
Never go for negative. All are there. You can see the screen. The recording is started. Yes, start. You can speak.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are from Team 9. So I myself, Laslit, and then we have Libin Jo Sabu, Mohammad Jaswan, and Momita. So since we were 4 people in the group, we decided the name For Sure. So it's like for and sure. So it means like whatever we do, we'll be sure in whatever we do. We don't give, we want to be real, we don't want to fake out things. So we don't want to be vague or artificial so that people will have a good image on us. Then I would like Libin to continue.
our slogan for the group is for big, brighter, bigger for sure. And we decided the slogan so that we will have a good bond between us. So no one can break our bond between us. That's all.
Sir, I would like to add one point. Since it says that bigger, better for sure, it's mainly focuses on expanding and expanding, not only limited to one particular area. So whatever we do, we'll try expanding our thing for the bigger and better, sir.
Okay.
We ensure quality products rather than fake products, and our vision is to give better products to customers. That's also.
Yes, somebody can conclude. Okay. Start.
So hi, good evening everyone. So we are Team Savor. Why this name Savor? It's because like we are into cooking and every now and then. And since people bond over food and this came out as a common interest for everyone. So we basically decided this name Savor. And my team consists of Sparshana, Simran, Sijimol and myself. As I said, due to technical issues and personal issues, Sijimol couldn't contribute. I mean, couldn't attend the meeting, but she contributed equally during the discussion. So, Savor, we are the owners of the restaurant Savor, where we provide all kind of food to respect the food habits of all culture region. And the slogan and the tagline will be "Bon Appetite." Where there is food, there is harmony. And the vision of our restaurant will be through a shared commitment to excellence. We are dedicated to the uncompromising quality of our food, service, people, and profit, and multiple cuisines, while taking exceptional care of our guests and staff. Further will be discussed by my teammates.
So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Parshana. So the cornerstone of the restaurant idea was to implement the idea of culinary diversity. Since the topic given to us was unity in diversity, we thought we'll go with culinary diversity because food is something people always bond over. Every now and then we all love to go to places or maybe stay with your close ones and have good food. So that is something everybody is pretty much interested about. So while we were discussing, while this team was discussing, so we thought we'll come up with this idea because this was something of common interest to all of us. And that's how we came up with this. And here we are actually planning to implement multiple cuisines so that people from multiple walks of life come and go through multiple restaurants. So there are one too many times when we might be craving for one or the other food, but we end up leaving disappointed because we won't be able to get that particular food we might be craving for, or something that reminds us of our home or something. We have fond memories regarding that. So we are actually planning to customize food, or according to, we will have a menu, and we are actually planning to customize as well. Like if the customers have a specific modification regarding the particular food, we can actually do that when we are also trying to implement multiple cuisines as well. And we assure that the customers will be satisfied because we are giving that much importance to the quality of the food, and obviously quantity is another factor because we all love extra food. So yeah, so that's pretty much about this. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And sir, regarding the food, as discussed by my teammates Ashana, yes, we would be having a lot of cuisines in our restaurant, Savor. So why we have thought about this idea is because, and one more thing, yeah, I would like to add that this particular restaurant would be in near our college only, or because like there is a lot of student population, right, from different places. They come, like they get along to study. So basically I have faced this issue. I was not getting the proper cuisine. So yeah, now I have adjusted with the time. But then yeah, just to support that, we have brought up this venture, and where we would be providing many types of cuisine so that it can satisfy all our taste buds. So, and regarding the logo, sir, I would like to just specify that all the team members, like all four of us, we have our initials with S. If you have noticed, Simran CG, who is not there with us right now, Shilpa Spashana, all our initials is S. So that's why we have named it as Savor, S for Savor, and the logo also. The logo itself explains everything because it has got square. So 4 members in a team, and a square has 4 sides. In between, we have got our initials and a fork and a spoon, which also explains that, yeah, it's a restaurant brand. So as of now, we have just decided this much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Baba, counting start.
Okay, so good afternoon, sir. So this is team 12, myself, Tanya, Thomas, Vivian, and Vikas. So here the name of our team is the Visionaries. So we've taken this name because each one of us in the team have unique skills, and we have a vision for these skills. So in our team, this is our space where each of us can contribute to our unique skills, learn from each other, and also enhance our skills together. So that's what our team name is and what our space represents.
Yes, Thomas.
So I'll be telling you a bit about how we came up with our slogan. So as you can see, our slogan is one team, one spirit. So basically, there is this quote that I've seen a lot. I don't remember who said it, but it says, I can do many things that you cannot do, and you can do many things that I cannot do. But if we work together, we can do anything and everything. And that is the idea behind our brand, the Visionaries, and also our slogan, one team, one spirit. Because to achieve a goal, no matter how big or small it is, it's important that the people who are involved works together in the same level of enthusiasm and energy. Because people can be different, right, in terms of their skills, their abilities, their strengths, and even their weaknesses. But what makes us all same is our collective effort and spirit, which we use towards achieving the common objective. And hence, that is how we came up with our slogan, one team, one spirit. Now, Vivian will be explaining our vision. Over to Vivian.
Yes, sir. So our vision for our company is to make this place, I mean, to help motivate and help guide the talented artists and people from different backgrounds, to provide them with the necessary resources to, to help them get recognized so that we can help them grow and make this world a better place. So basically what we are doing is we are helping the developing artists and from different fields, maybe a sports person. So we recruit them basically. If they are talented, we recruit them first, and then we provide them with the necessary resources and give them the platform to perform, so that they can be they can grow and become really successful. And then after they become really successful, they can contribute a small amount from the salary to us, so that we can help the younger generation and keep improving their life. So that is our vision.
Okay. That's all. Okay. Anyhow, even without one team member, you did it correctly. Start.
Wishing all of you a very good afternoon from Team 2, Fantastic Four. So my name is Jessica M. Matthew. My teammates are Janet Thomas, Infant Richard, and Jibin John. So why we came up with Fantastic Four is like everyone, each one of us is like fantastic and special in our own ways. And even there's a superhero movie also called Fantastic Four. So that's how we came up with this. So I call upon Janet for saying about the vision of our team. Thank you.
Thank you, Jessica. The vision of our brand Fantastic Four is to belong and thrive. A place to feel safe and somewhere to belong equals the best chance to thrive. To belong is to feel safe and feel equal, and thrive is to grow and develop. As we are all here to grow and develop, we chose our vision to be to belong and thrive. Thank you. Handing over to Jibin to present the brand logo and brand slogan.
Okay, thank you, Janet. So since we have our team members are 4, so we consider ourselves as fantastic people. So basically we named our team as Fantastic Four, and you can see a logo over here. This is our logo, which was prepared by Infant Richard within a couple of minutes soon after when Baba sir gave a message in the group. So really that's a great thing. On the right side, you can see what is our logo. I mean, tagline is all about. It is 4 times fun, action, and fantastic. You can expect all these 3 things from us, from 4 of us, in various activities coming in somewhat. So I'll ask, I'm requesting Richard to go on with unity of diversity.
So good afternoon, sir. So the phrase unity in diversity relates to the state of togetherness despite of unity or infinite diversity. So one of the greatest example we can give is that since we all are from different race, culture, tradition, and we came up together and we formed a team named Fantastic Four, and we worked together irrespective of sort of diversity, and we made it possible. So I think this would be a great example for unity of diversity by connecting with our team. Thank you.
So hereby we conclude our first Samvad activity, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Made it very sweet and short. Finally, Infant Richard is able to speak nicely. Good.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate quick time and you made it nicely. This is the smart work I expect. Good team member.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next, we will call the next team member. I think we can call team number 5. Are you ready? Team 5.
Yes, sir, we are ready. So, a very warm good afternoon.
Wait. Start.
So, a very warm good afternoon to one and all present here.
I am Alina Sunny representing our team, The Allies. We chose the topic allies as we believe in motivating each other to the pathway of growth and also helping them to reach their true potential. So my team members are Ashita George, Steffi and Chaco, Abhishek Sam Kachora. So I would like to invite my team members to elaborate more on the topic. Steffi will speak about the vision of our team. Ashita will elaborate about the topic unity in diversity. And Abhishek will give us more insights about our brand and its theme. Steffi.
So why we took ally is because ally means someone, people who come together for like the same cause, who join together to do something for the same purpose. We all come from different backgrounds, so we thought of taking the name ally. And our vision is to exchange information and ideas, which help each other grow. Each of us grow. Abhishek will continue with the theme.
Our team is allies, and our slogan is equal right to all insights. For us, equality means to treat every human being in the same way and without any prejudice. Equity is equity is the fundamental right that one should have, and we should respect all human beings without any prejudice in the society. Our team believes that Earth is the mother of all people, and there is no need to separate anyone from that. On that basis, our slogan is created, that is equity and equality. And we try to uplift the marginalized people in the society as of a mutual benefit of our team now. And I am handing over to Ashita.
So we've been given the topic unity in diversity, so I thought I would relate it with equality. So unity in diversity is actually a phrase which is used to denote harmony and unity between different individuals or groups. And it's actually such a beautiful term, and it's actually such a beautiful theme. If the whole people in the world, all the people in the world chooses to, follow it. And this is one of the main reasons we came up with the name Allies, because we are all coming from different background and place, but we are all coming for the same cause. So that's why the name Ally. And to conclude, I would like to say it's an integral part, the equality and being in complete harmony, which unity in diversity suggests. Because for the future generations, it would be necessary, and I feel proud to come up with a team to speak about the most important need of the hour, that is equality. So thank you.
Okay, team, nicely done. So all of them joined together, achieve a single object. Very good work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next, team 10, be ready. Team 10. 1, 2, 3. I am able to see. Start. Now you can start.
If we take a lot of diverse paints in a palette and leave it for a few minutes, it would eventually intermingle and unite. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone present here. We are Team Meraki Tigress. So next, Rion would explain more about our unusual name and the logo. And then Sharath Krishna would explain about our vision. Then Sarah Paul would explain about the concept, which is unity in diversity, which is oneness in variety. So I hand over to Rion.
So good afternoon, everyone. I'm happy to introduce our team name, logo, and the slogan. The team name is Meraki Tigress. Meraki in Greek means of love, compassion.
Yes, Rion, your network is poor. Somebody can continue.
Tigress means in Latin, tiger. We represent ourselves as tiger because we believe that we possess the qualities of the tiger, such as determination, leadership, and activeness. So Our slogan, Unleashing the Power, conveys that we would be showcasing our power in our coming activities. Thank you. Now, I would like to call upon Mr. Sarath to explain the vision of our team.
Our vision to unleash the power of you and core values agility, passion, and teamwork, and aim to serve as the North Star that inspires each one of us to be our authentic selves. Each human being, however small or weak, has something to bring to humanity. As we start to really get to know others, as we begin to listen to each other's stories, things begin to change. We begin the movement from exclusion to inclusion, from fear to trust, and from closeness to openness, and from judgment and prejudice to forgiveness and understanding. It is a movement of Oha.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Unity in diversity. The term unity in diversity relates to the state of togetherness. It is used as an expression of harmony and unity between individuals or groups. In this team, each one of us have come from different cultures and state, and yet we have come here together to present here. Thank you, sir.
Okay. That's all good. So you said nicely the background. I think the Rian what? Huh? Okay, good. Even by seeing the face, Sarath is having some fear, but now he is okay. Huh? I think he feels nicely now. What, Sarath? Have a nice coffee, ice cool drink. Huh? Your face is very dull today. Now it is good. Okay, students, all of you done well. I will call the next team, team 3. Yes, team number 3.
So good afternoon, all. So we are team number 1. So our team name is Renaissance. So this is our logo, and our tagline is "It's time for a change." So let me introduce my teammates: Ashwini Prashant from Kerala, born and brought up in Bahrain; Aromal Suresh from Tiruvalla, Kerala; and Angel Sebastian. So the word Renaissance is derived from the French, meaning rebirth. So the reason we chose this word is we plan on constantly helping each other, and we take more initiatives to better ourselves in a professional way. And also we aim at applying our acquired skills and knowledge to the maximum use, which is the very essence of a Renaissance. The strength of a team is its teammates, and the strength of the teammates is the team. Now I call upon Ashwini Prashant to explain our vision.
Good evening, sir. So our vision is basically, as a team, we are ready to accept any challenges, come what may, and to help each other to build confidence in each other, to perform and excel as in every single programs or activities that is designed by Samvad for us. So Samvad is basically about personal branding. So that's the whole vision of our team. That is, we are looking at which areas one might not feel so confident or might not be able to do much. And each of us possess different skills. So it is important that we help each other with what we have so that professionally, all of us are benefited in the end. And we are also open to criticisms and feedbacks so that we can improve our performance each time. And we are also looking forward to learn from the other teams as to how they perform so that we can refine our performance as well. So that is our vision. I'm going to call upon Aromal to talk about unity in diversity.
So good afternoon, sir. Unity in diversity basically means it's a oneness in variety. Unity in diversity certainly enhances the quality of teamwork. This is because of the development of trust and bonding among people. This is possible of diverse people tend to know each other. Consequently, this increases the mutual respect among the people. So basically, we are from different backgrounds and we possess a different strength. So together we can combine our strength and enrich ourselves to become more better in as an individual as well as in the competitive world, become a good professional. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, that's all.
Good in simple preventing animal products in our diet and commodity status of animals. Commodity status of animals means using animals in farming, operating business with animals, and using animals in sports. And our brand name is Eco Gambit. In simple term, Gambit means an act which will benefit in future. And our brand's slogan is a better world that's now begun. Now I welcome Ashik to carry out the presentation.
Thank you, Amal. So, veganism is one of the most widely accepted and practice in the upcoming world. So, most of the people across the globe are very conscious about their health and their environment. So, along with that initiative, we are also contributing from our part with our new company, Eco Gambit. So, we have several products upcoming in our from our company, especially different kinds of vegan foods, vegan products, vegan leather. So there are different kinds of products to come up in the market. So about the vision of the company, we want to encourage people to choose a healthy lifestyle by opting plant-based products. And the other one is to create a better environment and reduce the impact of pollution from our environment, like water pollution, air pollution, different sort of pollution. So the practice of veganism can make a clear impact on pollutions across the globe. And the other important vision of our company is to maintain a sustainable consumption, which makes a human consumption will not exploit the well-being of other living organisms like different animals and birds. And last and one of the most important vision of our company is to reduce the risk of many life-threatening diseases like cancer and other diseases. And that's about our vision of our company, sir. And I'm handing it over to Arati.
Include unity in diversity is our brand respects all sorts of cultural backgrounds and diversity. So we do not force any customers to purchase a product. If our customers or consumers are, like environmental conscious, they want this world to be a better place, then they can purchase a product. And talking about our employees, we provide employment opportunities to all sort of customers, employees, irrespective to their gender, sexuality, race, religion, etc. And also we work on a common goal. So we teach our employees about how important it is to have a safe and a better environment. And we talk about sustainability, and we'll talk about plant-based products to them so that we can work together to achieve our common goals. And also our brand strives to have social CSR activities, that is corporate social responsibilities, where we donate a part of our profits to our customers. This not only brings us goodwill or good name and image to our brand, but also creates deep connection with our customers. So, and also we provide a better and safe environment to all our customers where they are heard and where their opinions are respected. That's about unity and diversity. Over to Brainerd.
Veganism was a term which was coined in 1944, but prior to that, in our old cultures, especially in Hindu culture or Jainism or Buddhism, or even Pythagoras, the person who invented Pythagorean theorem, they have implemented and also promoted this as humans not affecting or hurting the animal life that is around them. So it is a system in which our world needs to learn and also needs to implement it. As people, many people tend to tell that vegan food or vegan anything doesn't taste well, or it's not good for them, or it takes out the fun out of eating. But that's contrary to the fact, as the vegan industry has been on the rise and is valued at $17 billion as of 2020, and it is estimated to project to grow to $130 billion in 2036. So it is a very lucrative business also if you're looking from a financial perspective. And also there are many companies who have adopted this. Example, Ben & Jerry's ice cream, Subway, McDonald's, and there are many vegan restaurants that are which have been opened in such a way that they have tricked the customers by giving examples of a burger. They'll say it's actually a meat burger, but then after tasting, they'll be thinking it's meat, but actually when you see it's a vegetarian patty-based burger. So this completely destroys the thought that vegan food will have less taste or won't be as appetizing as regular food. And also we want to see that we have seen that 65% of the consumer base have been turning slowly towards veganism, especially during the pandemic, where people have been more conscious about their health and well-being. So it is a good thing, as in it has good health benefits also. And also it has good protein, high in protein. And also there was a stereotype in people thinking that you cannot get protein from vegetarian sources. Like you need meat to survive or need to build muscles and be athletes. For example, a documentary that was done 3 years ago, which featured Arnold Schwarzenegger, one of the icons of bodybuilding. And even he said that you can actually get protein, which is more healthy and easy for your body to digest from plant-based, because that is what our bodies have been designed to consume. And also we are targeting towards the people who are lactose intolerant, because there's a high number of people who are lactose intolerant, either they completely or the body is somewhat, okay? So many of the people, they do not know that they're lactose intolerant, but whenever they eat dairy products, they actually have really bad health effects. So we want to offer this as a healthy alternative so that people do not suffer because their body is not able to process dairy products. Thank you. And also I wanted to add our name, right? Eco Gambit. Gambit, according to chess terms, is taking a risk or taking a loss, or even giving up or sacrificing something for the benefit of the future. So we feel that as a company, we need to take care of our animals and take care of our people who are from now, so that we can see a better future in the coming days. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, good. What is your slogan? It is mentioned, but I can't see. Oh, Bernard is playing. A better world. Okay. Good, you can come and see. Don't worry, Bernard. Okay, nicely done. Okay, I think most of them are in marketing area. Good. When I come to your class, I will tell a different story of marketing. Good. Thank you. We'll move on to the team number 4.
Good evening, everyone. We are team 4. The name of our team is New Icons. We are a team of 4 members, myself, Sharika, Samuel, Prajwal, and Prince. So as our name suggests, we chose this name New Icons because we intend to support all those new ventures and new entrepreneurs in the market who are willing to bring new ideas and make a living out of it. So they might be having issues regarding how they are going to find their finances and how they are going to allocate these finances. So we provide all those support to help them out in finding their finances they require and allocating it so they can allocating in an efficient and more smarter way to lead them to success. And our slogan is play chess and not checkers. Now I call upon Prince to elaborate on this.
Good afternoon, everyone. The reason we chose play chess and not checkers is because we were motivated from the case study which we solved recently, and it had this term, and also actually it's very relevant to the new startups which are growing up. You can see many startups coming in and then you see suddenly disappearing because they don't have proper plan, they don't have proper idea and how to do. Most of the time they play checkers. They just want to eliminate people and then just they want to go ahead, but they don't know how to play analytically, how to play strategically, and how to play, how to keep their positioning them right is very important. So the game of chess is something which does that. You have your employees placed rightly according to their ability and how well they perform in that particular place, and they have their different moves. But in checkers, it's not like that. You try to eliminate and reach to the end point. So that's the reason we went with play chess and not checkers. So that is the idea behind our tagline. I'll now call upon Samuel to elaborate on our vision.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our vision is to provide financial services to new ventures in the market. And the kind of services we provide to new ventures include helping them to build a financial models by helping them determine the number of customers they might require, the number of customers they might get, how to obtain their funding, and how many people they should hire, and also how to improve their margins over time. Now I call upon Prajul to conclude.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm actually going to speak out unity and diversity. Actually, we all four came from different areas and different culture and all that. And within these 2 hours, we came up with this great idea. So this shows us our unity and diversity. And basically, our new ventures, they're all coming from different places and different ideas. So we will be giving them same priorities, like not giving like any other individuals, any other like this prioritizing. We'll give equal priorities to each ventures. So that's it, sir.
Okay. Nicely done. Good students. And I appreciate you mentioned your name. You branded yourself first. That's what I like. All of you mentioned your brand name, your name as the brand. Okay? Good idea. Thank you. Done well.
Thank you, sir.
Now we'll once again move on to team. I think which team now? Team 3, you have completed?
No, sir, we are ready.
You are ready?
Yes, sir.
Team 3. Yes, who are all there? Kevin is there. Then I'm unable to see any other person.
Sir, Navya is there, but then she has some technical issues in turning on her video, but then she's present and she will be contributing via audio, if that's okay. She has some technical issues with her device, so she can't show the video.
Navya.
Yeah, Navya Wilson.
I'm unable to see her name. Navya, you can talk.
Yes, sir.
I am able to identify. Okay.
My Zoom is not connecting to the camera.
Okay, ma'am. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Okay, good afternoon, respected sir. So I'm giving the introduction. So our team is consisting of fabulous, most enthusiastic, energetic, very informative and wide-ranged and elaborative leaders who came together for a common cause. And we four are the most fabulous 4 team. And I'll introduce each of one of our members. So starting with the person who gives the ideas, the person who contributed a lot of ideas in doing this is Maria Ranjit. She is the one who gives a lot of ideas on how to conduct this particular activity. Then comes the informant, the person who gives a lot of information on what to do and where and how and what information to be told. That is done by Navya Wilson. She's not able to turn on her video, please excuse her. And then we come the mastermind who told everybody when and where and what to do. That is Nicole Fenwick. She's the one who coordinated. And then comes me. I'm the person who ensured that the team stay as a team and contributed in all of our works together and wanted to present it out to you. So this team, as you can see, consists of 3 beautiful ladies and 1 handsome guy. So the name or the brand name that we came up with is United Front, and the slogan is the fight against injustice. So Maria will now tell us about the vision about our particular company. On to you, Maria.
Good evening to everyone. So our vision for this, to shape the future by connecting people of different cultures and unite as one. So relationships are powerful. Our one-to-one connection with each other are the foundation for make unite as one. So I request to Navya to tell our brand logo and meaning.
Good afternoon to all. Today we have taken the brand United Front. It is an alliance of groups against the common enemies, evoking unification of previously separated geographic fronts. It is simply an initiative whereby the communists propose to join where all workers belonging to other parties and groups and it is a coalition of government. It means it's a form of government in which political parties cooperate to form a government. And here our logo, we can see two weight plates. It shows to weight the justice, and in middle we can show a sword. It is to justice is served to all, where proper punishment or a fair treatment by given by the legal system. And you can also see a hand is raising. It is to the fight is the injustice to the all the countries. These issues are broader that just radical, but radical equality in the biggest concern today. These injustices are tearing our country apart, and we must address them so we can become greater. We come to the grips with our dark past and how it is sharpened our world today. We must unlearn the things we have learned today and decades of social engineering. And thank you. And I hand it to Nikolai.
So, proving unity and diversity, India is diverse with respect to caste, religion, color, etc. But we still see each and every religion in our country. We live in peace and harmony with each other. We respect each other's beliefs, caste, and customs. So, India's fight for freedom is one of the greatest examples for unity and diversity. So as a whole nation came together for and fought for the freedom of the country, the same unity and diversity is very important in the society because there are diverse people in companies and there are people coming from all over the world to work. When individuals work together and trust one another, it allows them to feel safe and comfortable in the workplace. This can provide a significant boost to the company as employees are happier in their jobs. When people appreciate the jobs and people they work with, they stay in the company for a longer period. In conclusion, Kevin.
Yeah, and I would like to conclude. So, as all of my team members said, this is what our service is to give to the society. So, if any of you faces any kind of injustice wherever you are in your college, or not college, in your workplace, because our college is very, very, very crucial about justice and equality. So, not college, but other workplace and outside, wherever you find injustice, please do come to us, and we will try to serve you justice. Thank you for listening. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Kevin, why you have mentioned United Front? Is there any political background?
Sir, I thought of United Front as in like a group of, the meaning is a group of people coming together to.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gopika, and today I'm here with my team, Conquerors. I have Steffi Maria, Guru Aravind, and Heaven Simon with me as a team. The unity and diversity that's between us have helped us to work together as a strong team in order to achieve our goals, despite the language and cultural difference that's there between us, and also have helped us to conquer all these sparks and vision. The vision of our team is coordinate, connect, and commit. And the slogan is together we strive, together we achieve. Now I hand over to Steffi. She'll brief you about it. Thank you.
Yeah, so I'll be speaking about why we chose this name. So we have chosen Conquerors because we believe that conquerors, they move ahead with faith. That is, they want to turn their dreams into the reality. So similarly, we as a team are looking forward to strive and make efforts to achieve all our goals through this program and to overcome all the weaknesses and the challenges that we'll be facing during this course of time by conquering them with the spark within us and also through our vision. So I would like to hand over to Arvind to speak more about the vision.
So good afternoon to one and all present here. Like our vision is like coordination and connected and committed. So coordination, it'll be like to create unity between an employee department and a different group of organization. Like it will be on getting coordination between the people and which will make us easier. And the connected is like we need to have a direct interaction between the people and the customer. Like we should be having very close to them, and we should be like user friendly manner. And that's it. Coordination and committed. Committed in the sense like we need to commit ourselves, like the company or like our company should achieve the goal in between a certain time. If we should achieve that more than that. That is what like committed towards the goal on that. So now I call upon Hebin Simon to continue with slogan.
Good evening, sir. So when we look at the logo, we can see so many hands holding together and a person on top of the mountain. This conveys or portrays that just like a mother holding her own son, we will be there to guide and support you. And also holding hands portrays that the support and care we are offering in making you all stay healthy. And we conquerors will help to conquer anything in this world without any fear. And when we look at the slogan, it is together we strive, together we achieve. One might be having the talent or the ability which he has not recognized yet. So we will be having a helping hand, and with expert advice and supervision, we can create the transformation that everyone is dreaming of. And here, dreams becomes the reality. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Nicely done. Finally, all these are 4 team members done. But your background C is in reverse mode. Is it you purposefully done, or you want to do something differently? Huh? Okay, I think you are thinking. Okay, nicely done. We move on to the last presentation. I think team 8. Start.
So, good evening, sir. Myself Suryanath. So the name of our brand is All Stars. So basically, the vision of our brand is like together we stand, together we fall. All for one and one for all. So basically, nowadays a lot of people who are talented do not get accepted at many places because of their caste, color, and race, etc. So our main goal of this brand is to push forward of these people and make them realize the true potential of the talent and the skills. So I hand it over to Kevin.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So basically, I'll just give a brief idea of what we as a team believe in. So we consider us, and not only us, but everyone around us to be stars, and hence we came up with the name of All Stars. And like Surya said earlier, a lot of people in today's world are not getting equal opportunities that we deserve. And we believe in the concept of one life and one chance. So which means that we only have one life and one chance. So all of us need to get the right opportunities. So because of discrimination in our society and all the various caste issues that are happening, a lot of people are not getting the job that they want, or if they have immense talent, they're not getting opportunities in the various industries. So we as a consultancy service, what we do is we don't see any discrimination, any racism. We gather people who don't have an opportunity, who are facing discrimination, and try to put them in the field or area which they're interested in. And we'll try to connect them with a certain group of people who also believe in our idea and our mindset, which is no racism, no discrimination, and equality for all. So that was the main idea and concept behind our group and our service, and hence we came up with the name of All Stars, where we believe that everyone is a star and everyone has to shine, and we shouldn't see any discrimination. So we, as a group of 3 from various backgrounds and regions, will try to put in our ideas and expertise and help the people of a society so that they don't feel put down. And now Jemima will talk about our slogan and the vision of our group.
Good evening, sir. I am Jemima. So, I'm going to talk about unity in diversity. So, it basically means people coming from different cultures, religion, and backgrounds working together. So, as a team, we know that unity it actually improves the quality of teamwork, and it creates a kind of bond and trust between people, which is actually very important. So as a team, we believe that everyone is a star in their own unique way, and our team welcomes and accepts anyone and everyone for who they are and what talents they have, what they can showcase. And as Kevin said, one life and one chance, so everyone deserves to have that chance. And this platform welcomes them to show their skills and talents, where we learn from them and they also learn from us. So it's a vice versa. So to work in unity, the main point that we see is acceptance. So once people are being accepted, they have the urge to work towards the goals, the common goals of the environment or organization, and to solve different problems as a team and improve the quality of teamwork. So here we highlight the word acceptance, and people, we accept people for their point of views and different opinions. We respect people for that, and that is about our team, All Stars. Thank you.
Okay. Good students, I think.
Thank you, sir.
Anyhow, you have finally come with a nice idea. Thank you. Okay, good. Okay, students, now you can switch on your videos. So next, yes, everybody switch on, because I have to see all of your background at the time. Next exercise is about the role play. I will put up on, anyhow, don't worry, tomorrow morning I will post it in the group. So in this,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.